Welcome to the channel. It's AlmightyDen, and I want to give a big shout out to all my new subscribers out there. We just hit 900. We're closing in on 1,000. That's a very big deal. So if you're new to the channel, you like making crypto money, you like making money in the stock market, be sure to subscribe, turn those notifications on, like the video. And, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, man. You ain't got to be solid. I know some of y'all out there just silently watching the videos. Comment some information. Let us know something new. Put us on something. We going to put you on something too. You know what I'm saying? So today we going to talk about Crypto.com. And I want y'all to know this. I do believe that it will return to $1 again. Now, every day I make a video about Crypto.com, I always show y'all the chart just because that's important to see the price first and foremost, to see like where it's headed and what the price action could be. And I told you the worst case / best case scenario is that it could go to the 20-something cent range, and that would be an automatic dip buy for me. But I still believe that regardless of all that we will return to $1. Now, I don't like to put time frames on things because there's a lot of stuff in the crypto market and the stock market that none of us have control over. A blink of some news like that can flip things that quickly, but that does not break my belief that this thing can hit $1, because they are continuously coming out with updates, upgrades. It's getting better and better by the day. And if you actually use Crypto.com and you follow them on Twitter, I will show you some of the updates, some of the marketing, how wide this thing is actually growing. And I still feel like we're in the early stages. So let's go to the Twitter, and I want to show you how everything with Crypto.com, with Chronos, so VVS is tied into each other. And which is why we also still like VVS Finance, and we're still farming VVS Finance and Chronos to earn some VVS Finance rewards, because at the end of the day, if we're earning VVS Finance passively, we can convert that back to Crypto.com or pretty much any other crypto we want to, especially if it goes up. So make no mistake, we're over here being smart. We're going to play this thing the smart way. We're going to play this thing the long way. We long term on this, or at least till it gets back to $1 and over. Then you can do what you want. But, I do think this thing has a lot of upside. So let's go to the Twitter page. Let's show you all how things are kind of tied in right now. So as you can see, first and foremost, Crypto.com Arena. That's what the Lakers are going to be playing from now on. It's no longer Staples Center. I'm a big Lakers fan, so this is a big deal for me. You know what I'm saying? Honestly, that's a big marketing campaign right there. You can see 1.3 million followers on Twitter. As you can see, if you just scroll through the Twitter, you can see UFC. They're retweeting UFC because Crypto.com marketing by the UFC. What else do we have? Chronos. Thank you for joining the Chronos Hackathon. We're excited to have 60+ projects. The Crypto.com coin is built on the Chronos network. We've been discussing that. We scroll down some more. Crypto.com has NFTs. They have a whole nother Twitter just for NFTs. Coinbase doesn't have NFTs. A lot of these other exchanges, you can't buy NFTs and trade crypto on. This is a big deal. You know what I'm saying? This is a huge deal, honestly, because we know the NFT space is going to go crazy, and it's still early, and it's still growing massively. Now let's keep scrolling. We got Particle P. Now, we all know that we went to VVS Finance documents earlier. I showed y'all that before. Let's see if I can pull it up right now for you guys. And we looked at the rewards and how they were being supported, and we seen that they were supported by Particle B. Particle B has their founder is Gary Orr. He supports VVS Finance. Their team supports VVS Finance, but he was also the co-founder and CTO of Crypto.com. That's how that ties in. So if I can go back to you and put that back up here for you, can see we are tremendously proud to be a part of the Particle B incubation program. As a part of this program, this is VVS Finance, as I might add, we receive incredible support from the Crypto.org and the Crypto.com ecosystem. There you have it. And as you can see on Twitter, they're retweeting the Particle B Crypto.com org ecosystem updates. Another Twitter page, Crypto.com Institutional. You keep scrolling. We get updates. They're giving us frequent updates. They're giving us new supports of different cryptos. PSG, you see, marketing by PSG. We got marketing by the Particle B, marketing by the 76ers. You can see it's on the jerseys right there. It's on the jersey, Crypto.com. It's still growing. It's still very, very early, and this has a long way to go. So I am very, very bullish on this, as I can see, because every day I feel like I'm finding out something new. They're keeping us updated, they're keeping us posted. And like I said, the Crypto.com coin has already hit $1, so we're already 40% off. If I can get this thing for a cheaper price, I will be happier. I'm almost jealous I didn't hop in down here that Saturday night when everything went down a lot, because honestly that was a very, very solid dip buy. Hopefully we can return here or lower, and like I said, here or lower is an automatic buy because the risk reward ratio is nice. I do believe we'll hit back $1, so if we can get back close to 20 cents, that's a steal. It's an automatic steal. Understand this short-term price movement, sometimes you have to remove the short-termness out of it, because like you got to think longer. We all know that short-term things can come down. That's just the name of the game. That's the market we in. Cryptocurrency is volatile. It's volatile, so it's not going to be always go straight up or go up as soon as you get in. It's hard to time. But if you understand what you have, if you understand what we're buying, if you understand what's behind it, what it's doing in the market cap, which is very important. The market cap only right now is only about 15 billion. This is a top 15 crypto, so that is, it's pretty up there, but it still has room to grow. Understand that if Bitcoin is not at 100,000 yet, it's still at 50,000. If Bitcoin can go to 100,000, that doubles the market cap for where Bitcoin is, and that will increase the upside to the rest of the crypto market and the altcoins as well. You see, that is a very big deal. So if Bitcoin goes to 100,000, and you got people talking about, oh, Bitcoin gonna go to 200,000, 300,000 over a period of time. I'm not saying it's gonna happen this year, next year, but even if that does happen and you're getting in early right now and you're thinking long term, you're gonna be set. You're going to be absolutely set. Now, of course, there's going to be some bumps in the road in the meantime, because that's just the name of the game of crypto and regulations and all that type of stuff. But Crypto.com itself is absolutely looking fantastic based on the news, based on the update. Formula One racing. Now let me go to the Kronos Twitter page real quick. Remember, I want to show you how everything is tied in. We've seen Particle B. We've seen Kronos. We go back up, scroll up a little bit more. Hold on. We go to Kronos.com. You see they got 36 followers. Who are they following? VVS Finance. You see VVS Finance is right there. It's right there. We go to Particle B. Who are they follow? They follow 4 followers. They follow Tectonic, VVS Finance, Kronos, Crypto.com. It's tied in. This is why we like VVS Finance. It's early. It is early. I'm not gonna lead you astray. We're still trading in a good range. We're still earning good rewards in our farms. You're still getting. I know it's the rewards have came down because as more liquidity is being added to these farms, the APRs do drop. So me sitting here telling y'all to join these farms and you doing it is not necessarily helping me, because the more liquidity goes down, there's less money that I be making on the farms. But like I said, if you watching this video, it's not like I have that many subscribers right now. So y'all, we could take advantage. You know what I'm saying? We could take very, very good advantage of some of these farms, some of these returns. It has been lucrative for me thus far. I have harvested some reward, my VVS. I have sent it to my wallet, and once I send it to my wallet, I can do whatever I want with it. I can stake it some more. I could buy some. I could swap it out for another cryptocurrency. I could do whatever. It's free money. It's free money for me. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, there's risk of, farming with the impermanent loss, because different things can happen. Prices of these cryptos can drop or whatever. But that's part of the business. That's part of the game. No matter what you invest in, you're taking a risk. But I will take a risk that's gonna pay me out at these APRs. Why not? Why not? Especially in the meantime, especially since it's early. Since we're early, I don't feel like you have to rush. You don't have to FOMO in. You do not have to FOMO in on something when it's early, because it has time to go down. And you will have a chance to get a better entry, in my opinion. Now, I'm not saying that it can't bounce right here, go up and go higher. That is possible. But I've been covering this for a minute, and we have seen it go from $1 all the way down to 37 cents. We've seen that. And that was something I told you that could happen even before it happened. I told you that could happen way back over here based on the chart. I said this thing can go down to about the 40-cent range or below. Once it broke below 40 cents, I said, yeah, 20 to 25 cents is very possible. I'm telling you that right now. That is possible. Now, if you're already in it, of course you don't want to see it go down. Nobody wants to see it go down, but the opportunity to add is beautiful. The only thing that's bad about when crypto drops is the fact that you're losing opportunity cost if you're long term. That's the only thing. It's like, wow, I could have got it for lower. Doesn't mean you still don't have a good cryptocurrency. You don't want to be down. I get that. We all want to get in at a better, cheap price. But the opportunities will present themselves with Crypto.com, with other cryptos as well. You just have to be ready. We have to be ready. I have to be ready. And as long as they keep having these updates, I'm gonna keep sharing them with y'all. Do believe Crypto.com will hit $1. VVS Finance still looking very good. We back at 0.00012. We have been in that range. I think that's beautiful that it's consolidating in that range. Every day that I look at it and I think about it some more and more, and with the developments that they're constantly making, because VVS Finance constantly upgrading, constantly has new news, just like Crypto.com. And if VVS Finance can get to the Crypto.com level, that would be absolutely amazing. Now, I don't think it'll reach that high because I feel like Crypto.com is that much further ahead and it's a bigger exchange. Well, this is a decentralized exchange, but in the decentralized exchange world, if it can get up there, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. You know what I'm saying? It has a lot of room to grow, and we're earning it for the free. But anyways, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn notifications on. Until next time, Dinsky out.